Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML quotation. HTML short quotation. The HTML element defines short quotation. And this is how you can use this tag of quotation in the Notepad++ editor to get some quotation on your website. You can use this Q tag like this. In this example it is given, for example, free full comprehensive courses, and this thing we have written it in a opening and closing tag of quotation. What does this short quotation will do? This we will understand by going to Notepad++, and there we will execute it, the code. Now here you can see Puri Padhai quotation free full comprehensive courses. Now we will save this file. We will save this file first and let's see what could be the outcome. So you can save this file in any destination you want, but yeah, any destination you want. I can save it over here according to my preferences. Let me save it again. So I'll go back to save as. It has, the file has been not saved, there was some error, and I will choose the folder HTML tutorial, open. Yes, over here I will now save by test24.html. okay, so now again we will go back to the tutorial, and yes, this is a file. We'll open up in the Google Chrome. Let's see what could be the outcome. Yeah, let me zoom out a bit so that it makes you clear. Yeah, I think it's now visible. Puri Padhai free full comprehensive courses. So earlier you can see that in the Notepad++ we have not used any quotations. Quotation means this symbol we have not used in the HTML. This symbol that is there in the Notepad we have not used, but we have just used this tag Q opening and closing. So if you want to display anything like this in your website, if you want some quotes, then you can do it by using this tag of Q. Okay, now we will move forward. There is one short quotation, then there is one other type, HTML long quotation. Now we will see what is HTML long quotation. The HTML block quote elements defines the quoted section. Now the long quotation could be understood from the block quote tag. What is that block quote tag? It is a very new term for you all, but I'll make you clear with an example. Now this is what an example we will be taking up in the Notepad++ also. Here you can see. So let's move to the Notepad++. There you will be able to understand more clearly. Okay, over here see the same example I have taken. So here what we have written, block quote, a little or bit of pure thing is much better than the huge volume of impure things. Now closing tag of block quote. Let's save this file and try to understand what could be the outcome of block quote that we want. So again you can choose any destination you want. I'll choose my folder accordingly. I'll open up, I'll save it with test25.html. extension is very much important. Now we will save it. We'll go back to the saved destination. Yeah, I will open up this file in the Google Chrome. Let's see what could be the result. Yeah, now here you can see a little bit of pure things. Yeah, the whole text is same. See, the whole text is same that we have written, but there is one thing which you could notice is that there is one space created. See, there is one space created before A and also from above also. Earlier you could see there was no space, but here a space has been created. Why? Because it's just a quote. So to quote anything in your website you have to use block quote, or to have that double quotations you can use Q tag. See, practically also there is a use. If you go to a website like this, here you can see So this website also tells you about the block quotes and pull quotes. So here you can see the text that is written over here. So all these things you can represent. This is in a much stylish manner, but this is much in the simpler way how you can use this. So that was a practical how you can do all those things in your website you desire. So hope learners, you are understanding the short and the long quotations that we have taught you. For the short you can use this q tag, and for the long quotation you can use this block quote. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.